Alex B. How the fuck she know?
How do you feel about that?
Man, get these motherfucking cameras on my.
What we do here is go back.
Hey guys, so the gang's back. We're waiting on Grace.
Damn, my forehead's big. Pull the fan down.
Ooh, okay, so the plan is to go to the bowling alley, which is gonna be fun. We're gonna get some food because we're starving.
Are we getting food first or after? Who knows?
I don't know. We'll figure it out.
Food first. Can we bring food in there, or was they tripping?
I don't know. Probably not.
Like, we can bring food in there.
They probably gonna be on our ass. But it's not until 5:30, and it's only 4 o'clock. So
we're good. Yeah,
we're fine. But we will update you guys. We'll probably play music in the car and a little slight playlist for you guys, per usual. But
hey guys, we're here. Oh, me, how we're here now. And thing one.
We got our lemon pepper stuff.
And thing two. You guys, we're the only one at the bowling alley. Like, it's empty. Like, we're the only one. It is good. It is good. We didn't book it out.
It's got a chandelier.
It's also snowing like crazy outside. It's snowing like crazy outside. So we're already like, we're not in trouble with our moms, but like, they're very concerned because it's a whole snowstorm and we decided to go bowling. It's okay.
I have on nails. I didn't really.
Oh, neither one of her things are finna pop off. Poop to her press on it.
Okay,
hit it.
Yeah, we're by ourselves. We like that. Grace, please. It's embarrassing. We love that.
So that was what I call a warm up.
Right. Second try. Let's see. Hold on. Oh god. Oh god. God bless you. It's Taylor's turn.
She said, "Watch your pro do it."
All right. Let's hope a nail doesn't fall off. Oh shit! Hold on. Let me move out the way. No. Okay. Hold on. I have faith.
Did he go with it?
Wait, what?
Pop off.
No. Go. You go now.
Come on, babe.
Right into the gutter. We love it. Woo! We need to work on our bowling skills, ladies.
Come on, babe.
Okay. Ooh.
Okay.
Uh-oh. I hate you. Okay, this is her time, her chance. Let's see. See if she knows too much. YMCA? Hold on. YMCA.
Who next? Grace went Taylor, baby. What are you doing, Grace?
How you feel
I
about
don't
that?
know.
How you feel about that?
I ain't grab no shoes or nothing. Nobody got time for that.
Didn't grab no shoes or nothing, Jesus. I ran for my life. And then the smoke got her. Yeah, I got bronchitis. Ain't nobody got time for that.
Look at check the score.
I'm winning.
Who's at 51 right there?
Me.
Not you.
Don't lie, bitch.
Grace. Taylor really had to check herself. She said,
Grace has improved. Okay, that bitch got that split. How do you feel?
I mean, I knew I had it in me.
Fuck up the footwork. Go ahead. Bitch, I got these motherfucking lemon pepper.
Got her. Yeah, exactly like I said. Oh.
Whoa, calm down, Jamal. Don't pull out the 9.
Whoa, you are a little aggressive coming back there.
If he's from Evanston, he knows what South Evanston. If he knows where Evanston is, he knows what
South Evanston. What?
Girl, I thought you said South Evanston.
That's like on Asbury.
No, South Evanston don't make no
Evanston.
sense.
Nobody says that.
Yeah, just saying Asbury. Who says South Evan? That's like saying,
That's like saying South Arlington Heights. Who the
right?
fuck
Like,
says
that's where that is. Girl of Evanston.
But I thought the bitch you just gotta go to say something.
that bitch went South Evanston. That bitch went west.
Well, bitch, you don't know her address.
Look at all these people. That's about it. But it's pretty rocky actually. Oh, see. Wait, am I losing?
No, that was.
Damn. Not Grace getting in front of me.
Watch.
This is why she's in last. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Okay. Oh, baby, give me one more chance to show you that I love you. Won't you please let me back in your heart? Oh, darling, I was blind to let you go. Let you go, baby. Now can I see you? Damn, Grace,
How the fuck she know?
how do you feel about that?
Man, get these motherfucking cameras on my face.
Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. Tell him, miss.
Go next.
Ooh.
Oh yeah, do that shit.
Period. Period.
She
She cheated.
She's just mad. So currently we are washing our hands because we're staying safe.
No corona. And
No
yeah,
corona.
that really blessed us because there's no one here.
Correct. We are the only people here. So there was a few moments we were without our masks. That was because no one was
literally
here.
because no one was here. That's why.
And the guy is all the way back there. So we're good. Anyway,
I was gonna say y'all, but we're not trying to like pretend like there's not a snowstorm outside. So
we're staying safe.
don't do what we do.
Do not. If you aren't outside already today, don't go outside.
Yeah,
It's not worth it.
She still gotta drive home for real home. So and
Yeah.
drop to her.
Thank you.
Yeah, sorry.
Anyway, so we're about to go to IHOP. Really excited about that. And we're gonna grub, so we'll see you there. Guys, so we're done bowling.
Yeah, you gotta angle
The
it.
camera.
You can't see me, I'm black.
Oh wait,
Why are you trying to light on my hair?
Guys, is it just me and all the
Taylor, shut up. You're not putting that in there.
But do I?
Yeah, you look stuck.
You look yo. Oh my, your eyes are closed.
Bitch, I can see. What?
It's the eyelashes.
Yeah, that's what it is. Anyway, hey guys. We just left the bowling alley and we're eating IHOP in the car.
What is this?
What do you mean? Oh, butter?
I'm eating with my hands.
Oh, this is butter.
Then we're going to
Is there any napkins in there?
drop a special someone. Oh, sorry. Drop somebody off to, you know.
No,
I've never ate it in a sneaky link before.
What? You never ate it?
No. Help. I've never helped. Like,
Oh, my first experience. Did I take it
She's
really?
never eaten. That makes no sense.
Like, please tell a joke. Tell a joke, y'all. Make me laugh. Ready, go.
You don't.
Who won't tell her? Chicken and syrup
We're not live
is
streaming.
lit, y'all. It's lit.
Chicken and cereal?
Syrup.
Why you pop the thing so hard?
No cursing.
Why
No.
is Taylor not eating?
Because she nervous.
You damn right. How you know? You inside my mind.
I be thinking. That's what it is.
I-
Y'all, it's
This
snowing
tea-
so hard
This
outside.
tea tastes like the penis juices of Trey Songz.
I'm not.
Child. Anyway, so.
Looking at me like that.
So nobody else just heard. Hi guys.
Hi,
So
y'all.
we didn't officially make an outro, but we don't have to talk about it.
We had a good night.
We did. We had a great night. But Grace and Howard made it home safely.
Yeah.
Taylor's about to go home, so we will be back with more videos.
Tune in, follow, subscribe if you're not, and period.
Bye.